Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, we had seen some beautiful bounce today from 50 moving average both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I have explained you this concept before as well. You can go and check it out the previous video. I'll share the link in description box. It's just around 4 minutes video. And I have changed the zones as well for tomorrow. I have updated some new zones and some new resistance and support levels. I'll be updating this in the description box. You can check that out in the description box itself. Right now, let's see tomorrow what's going to happen and what our trading plan will be. If you see in Bank Nifty, we have seen a reversal from here today. Right, and the second attempt, you can see here, the price came here and it has reversed. This is in 15-minute chart. So for tomorrow, in case price starts trading below this level, that is 32,644.50, what I'm looking at, 32,644.50, if prices sustain below this, then we can see prices reaching R1 zone. R1 zone is somewhere around 32,508 to 32,458. This is R1 zone. And then we may have a support again at 50 moving average. This 50 moving average on 15-minute chart, you can just plot it and you can track that. And close below that, we can again see prices reaching S1, and here we have a trend line. So this is the simple thing what I'm gonna expect for tomorrow, right? And on upside, in case we see price sustaining above today's high, that is 32,758.15, we can take it as 32,760 itself. We see a close bullish candle close above this, and if price sustains above this level, then we have easy target towards 32,900, 33,000 and 33,100. These are the levels on the upside what I'm seeing. This is the plan if price starts moving in single direction. In case price reverses from either of this zone, we know what zone to target. If price is reversing from R1, you can target R2. If price is reversing from S1, you can target R1 and R2, right, on the long side. And for short side, if tomorrow price again moves like this within this R1 and reverses from here, then same again you can target R1 and S1. This is a simple plan for tomorrow and Bank Nifty. And make sure you keep stop loss while trading and trail your stops at least 50 to 100 points once the price starts trading in your direction, right? Start trading stop loss so that you don't lose out the potential profit. Trailing stop loss is very important. Let's go to Nifty and see what has happened. You can see 15-minute chart. Nifty, after breaking this 50 moving average, it has hit S1 and bounced today. Right, so for tomorrow we have R1 as well as R2. I have marked all these zones. I have updated this in description box. You can go and check it out. You can see what these zones are. You can mark all these zones in your system and you can see how prices respect the zones. Right, for today you can see prices have reversed from here, this level. Hence I have marked this as an important level, that is R1. And after I think almost around 2-3 days, we have seen a bearish candle today. Well, for tomorrow, simple thing is if price starts trading below this 50 moving average, I'll wait for this 50 moving average because 50 moving average previously also has acted as a good support. I'll just show you. Whenever prices have hit 50 moving average or below that, you can see here, there has been a gap up. You can see here. Next day it has rallied up, right? You can see prices have reversed from this level. Let me mark this, what I'm showing. See here, after hitting 50 moving average, it has bounced back. It has hit 50 moving average, bounced back. The same thing is here. You can see here, it has bounced back. So many times, it has taken support at 50 moving average and bounced back. So for tomorrow, I will expect the same 50 moving average. Again, it can act as a support or resistance. So this, for tomorrow, this can act as a support first if it starts moving down here, and from here we can expect a reversal. So any close above R1 zone, it's R2 zone, any close above it's R1, any close above R1 zone, I'll see for the target of at least R2, right? And close above R2, I'll see for a target of 14,700 and 14,740 and 14,780 on the upside, right? And if price closes below this 50 moving average, if I have a proper risk reward ratio trade, then I'll see for 14,550 and 14,500 levels, the place from where the prices have bounced today, S1 zone. This is the plan I'm going to maintain for tomorrow. And in case price closes below S1, I'll see again for from 14,454, and below that I'll have the targets. This is S2 zone, that is 14,400 levels. Right? This is a simple plan what I'm going to maintain. And in Nifty, make sure you at least have a stop loss of 20-25 points depending on your risk reward ratio and your strategy. 20-25 points is feasible, and once you are in profit, start trading your stop losses at least 20-25 points so that you don't lose out potential profit. Remember one thing, you cannot make big in a single day in intraday, provided you have a big capital. If you have a big capital, yes, you can make it. If you are starting with a small capital, if you are new to the stock market, if you are new to trading, start with small capital. Even 1 to 2 lakhs is sufficient, but make sure you make very small profits. By year end, you will see how big your capital has grown, right? So guys, in case you have any doubts on 50 moving average and how I'm using it, you can drop a comment. I'll try to create a new video and upload it so that you can understand. And in case you have enjoyed watching the video, give a like, and if you are new to channel, please subscribe the channel. Very soon I'll be releasing a few more strategies which will help you out, even for those who are trading in equity. Even that will help them as well. So please go ahead, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and after hitting the bell icon, please select all so that you receive regular notifications. And maybe in couple of days I'll be doing a free psychology session for everyone, for all traders and investors. You can learn a lot of things from that. You'll at least understand how to reduce losses and how to increase profits, right? I'll see you again tomorrow. Let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty performs based on our levels. The levels and zones I have updated in the description box. You can just go and check it. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give a like. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Take care.